Removing a Ring device from your account is a straightforward process that disconnects the device, stopping data syncing, notifications, and remote access. This is useful when selling a device, upgrading, or addressing privacy concerns. Make sure you're the account owner or have admin privileges to proceed. Start by opening the Ring app on your smartphone. Next, tap the device you want to remove from your list of devices. Navigate to Device Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Scroll down in the Settings menu and select the Remove Device option. You'll be prompted to confirm the removal, often requiring your password or biometric authentication for security. The removal is instant, but confirmation might be delayed during peak hours. After confirming, the device is disassociated from your account, and all shared users will be notified of the change. After removing a device from the Ring app, several important changes occur that affect your data and device functionality. First, device-specific data is deleted from Ring's servers. This includes recordings and settings unique to that particular device. However, your overall account history remains intact unless you choose to fully delete your entire Ring account. The physical device itself will continue to function locally for basic operations, but it will lose all connectivity with the Ring app. Ring provides a 30-day grace period during which you can reverse the removal if you change your mind or make a mistake. After removal, Ring continues to retain cloud storage for 60 days, unless you specifically opt out of this retention period. It's important to note that factory resetting the device is completely different from app removal. A factory reset wipes the device entirely and requires repairing if you want to use it again. If you encounter issues removing the device via the app, such as app crashes or device unresponsiveness, try closing and reopening the app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. If problems persist, you can remove the device via Ring's website or contact Ring support. Be aware that high traffic periods, like holidays, can sometimes cause delays in confirmation. A strong Wi-Fi signal can prevent complications when resetting up the device. Removing a device enhances your privacy, preventing unauthorized access, especially after selling or if the device is stolen. Since 2025, Ring requires mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA, before removal, enhancing security. Following data breaches in 2024, Ring has increased privacy controls. Regular device removal audits can protect your data, particularly for devices no longer in use. User-driven privacy actions are on the rise as people become more conscious of their digital security. This shift is driven by growing awareness of surveillance ethics following privacy scandals in 2024. Specifically, device removals increased by 25% in 2025, largely due to heightened concerns about data privacy following major breaches in 2024. Looking ahead, AI technology could automate device removal based on user behavior patterns, such as detecting when a device has been inactive for extended periods. Regulatory developments, such as expansions to GDPR and CCPA, are expected to mandate more advanced right-to-forget capabilities, allowing users to selectively delete specific data rather than removing entire devices. Real-world examples demonstrate how Ring device removal works in practice. These case studies show both successful removals and potential challenges. In 2024, following a major data breach affecting millions of users, a concerned homeowner in California removed all 12 of their Ring cameras through the app in just minutes. They switched to local-only security systems to regain control of their privacy. In 2025, a tenant in a shared household used the Ring app to remove access to shared doorbells during a family dispute. The removal sent notifications to all account users, and the app's audit log helped resolve the situation by providing a clear record of the action. During the 2025 holiday season, a New York user experienced a 2-hour delay in device removal confirmation because of server overload from high traffic. This incident emphasized the importance of maintaining offline backups while waiting for the process to complete. Expert advice and key statistics. Privacy advocates recommend full account deletion for true data erasure, as device removal may leave metadata accessible. The removal success rate via the app is 98%, but drops to 85% with support intervention. On average, app-based removal takes 2 to 3 minutes. 40% of removals are privacy-related, highlighting user concerns post-breaches. User satisfaction post-removal stands at 85%. These insights show the feature's importance in managing your smart home security.